We are protecting the company, we're protecting patients, but along the way, we're also good partners, right? We're also trying to foster innovation, progress, efficiency.
Gritstone Bio is a clinical stage biotech company developing the next generation of immunotherapies against multiple cancer and infectious diseases. We internally manufacture two unique vectors, and one is a chimpanzee adenovirus vector, and the other is self-amplifying messenger RNA vector, which are introduced into the patient and stimulate the patient's immune system to destroy tumors or the virally infected cells.
A lot of our manufacturing records are on paper, so that requires a lot of manual entries, manual calculations, and so that presents a lot of challenges because we're human, and so naturally there's errors on the documentation.
So using the electronic batch records, we've developed efficiencies in both manufacturing and QA in our review process.
The electronic batch record module enables us to streamline that documentation, the review, so you get less errors from the end users. And it also helps with the turnaround time in the review between manufacturing and quality assurance.
So it's incredibly important for us that we have an important quality approach to each step of the manufacture and the release throughout the process.
Manufacturing excellence has a feature called the review by exception fee. And so what I spend more time now on are more serious corrections, like values that exceeded limits or something unexpected happened. I don't have to look for more minor corrections that are needed. The manufacturing QA review process is more seamless because we aren't physically handing off a binder that we have to find on somebody's desk. Look how far we've come.